Hi, my name is Alyssa Davis and I am the Director of the Communications Center here on Clemson's campus. Today I want to tell you a little bit about our space. We are located in Watt 216. You can see our banner and our door here. I want to show you through our studio rooms that you can use for your broadcasting needs. So follow me in. This is our lobby, and we always have a nice desk manager here to help you, and there will always be here somebody to help you record as well. So I'll take you through one of our studio spaces. Back here in the back is our 216B space. So if we walk in, you can see we have several different types of technology. We have a teleprompter if you would like to pull up a script or something you're presenting from. We have our green screen behind me, which we can either record to green and you can edit your own background in, or we have several presets. If you take a look at our computer here, you see me in front of our purple just plain Clemson background. Or if you have a custom background, we can add it in for you if you bring that along. We also recommend you bring in a flash drive so that we can record to your flash drive, but if for some reason you would rather use ours, we do have one that you can record to as well. So please come see us here at the Communications Center, and we'll be happy to help you with any of your recording needs. If you'd like to make an appointment at the Communications Center, the easiest way to find us is just Google Clemson Communications Center, and we'll be the first one that pops up. Once you get to our website, you have two options. You can either click here on schedule your appointment or here, either one works. Click on that and then you will want to choose from the list studio reservation. Studio reservations are booked for 60 minutes. If you need more than 60 minutes, feel free to make 2 reservations. That is perfectly fine. Click on that, hit next. And then you'll be taken to our scheduler where you can pick whichever day you are most comfortable with and then choose a time that you would like to come in for. And if you have any questions, if you go back to our homepage, just a few buttons back, you have all of our information here under the Contact Us tab. If you'd like to schedule a time to come through and see the space for yourself, if you click on Our People, you have all of my information here, and I would be happy to take you through a personal tour of the center and give you more information. We hope to see you at the Communications Center.